Hey guys, this is Ravindra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What softwares do I use for photo editing and video editing? When it comes to photo editing, I use Lightroom, which is something that's very easy to use. You might want to check out the card above where I've shared a lot of training videos on Lightroom. You'll come to know what exactly are the settings that I use and how I edit photos when it comes to landscape or wedding or whatever kind of editing. So I've shared all of those information, so go ahead, check out that card above. Believe it or not, I am not very much into Photoshop and I'm poor in Photoshop as of this recording, and I always wanted to learn that, but I'm not that confident when it comes to Photoshop. Especially those manipulating is something that I'm really poor in. I cannot really do that, and I do not even have time to learn or do that as of now. So I always wanted to learn that. I always sit in front of my laptop to learn Photoshop, but then there are so many options in it and I really go mad. I always stick on to Lightroom or other Nikon software, which is easier for me to edit. When it comes to editing photos using mobile, I use the free app called Snapseed, which is very easy to import and it has the basic adjustments. It is one of the advanced editing tools when it comes to mobile application, and also it is completely free. No one else will give you that many features for free. I really like it, and if you know any other app which can do the same or similar kind of editing, then do leave a comment here. That's it about photos. So let me come to videos. So when it comes to vlogging, right now I'm using DJI Mimo app to edit this video, which is a mobile-based editing tool. It has a very basic editing features, but over time with the regular updates DJI has come up with few improvements, but still it is still basic. You can add a layer of music and you cannot have multiple layers here. DJI Mimo app is a very basic editing tool, and I'm using DJI Mimo right now to edit this video. And also I'm recording using DJI Osmo Pocket, so it's very much in sync and I do not have any trouble in editing it. So whenever I'm traveling and if I want to quickly upload a video, I just record it using my Osmo Pocket and edit it using DJI Mimo app. Whenever I need very minimal adjustments, especially in this video right now, I do not do any kind of editing. All that I do is cut paste videos in between, but then I do not do any kind of color adjustments or anything here. I just decrease or increase the volume and then do the editing and upload it directly, because I want to save time and focus more on content. When it comes to editing travel videos, where there are a lot of videos and there are background music, sound, and so many things to be added and so many clips to add, voiceover, that's when I prefer to use Premiere Pro. I've been using Premiere Pro for a while now, but I'm thinking of using DaVinci Resolve going forward. I want to explore that and I'll give a comment. So if you have been using DaVinci Resolve or any other editing tool, then leave a comment or just compare, and you can even share a link, or you can leave a comment below on what do you think, or what software do you think is the best, or what editing tool is the best, or what is it that you are using. The primary reason why I'm planning to switch out of Premiere Pro is because it takes up all of my computing capacity that I have got. I'm using a Dell XPS. I've been facing multiple problems with this laptop over the last 1.5 years since the time I purchased this laptop. Honestly, I'm not happy with this, so I'm thinking of upgrading my laptop You can find the products that I'm using and also all the links in the description below, where I've mentioned which camera or which lens or even all the vlogging cameras that I use, so you can check the description for that. Well, right now the Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects software, when I try to use that together, it will try to use all of the computing power that my machine can provide, and it takes a really long time when it comes to exporting of video, which is something which I really do not like, and hope if Adobe is listening to that, hope they will fix that issue. So if you have been facing this kind of issue, then leave a comment and what is it that you have done to fix this problem. So just leave a comment below and I would like to know more on that. So that's it guys, these are the basic tools that I use. So I've shared all the information that you wanted. This is a common question that most of them were asking me. Smash that like button if you like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on that bell icon to get all the latest updates. I'll be sharing many more videos of this kind, so stay tuned. Bye. DaVinci Resolve, right? Is it DaVinci Code or DaVinci Code is a movie. Oh, DaVinci Resolve. Yeah. Okay.